According to information published by TASS on November 23, 2023, the Russian Navy's amphibious force in the Black Sea is enhancing its air defenses with additional autonomous combat modules of the Tor M2KM surface-to-air missile system. The Tor M2KM air defense system is an anti-aircraft missile system designed to protect military, state, and industrial facilities from various aerial threats, including high-precision weapons like anti-radar and cruise missiles, guided aircraft bombs, assault aircraft, fire support helicopters, and remotely manned vehicles. Developed by the Air Defense, Almaz Anti, and Izhevsk Electromechanical Factory, DOME, this system is a modification of the Tor M2E and is distinguished by its modular construction, allowing it to be placed on various platforms according to the customer's requirements. The Tor M2KM system comprises an Autonomous Combat Module, ABM, and an Anti-Aircraft Missile Module, AMS, each equipped with 4 anti-aircraft guided missiles, SAM, 9M331D. The ABM is a standalone unit containing target detection, escort and guidance systems, control and monitoring equipment, a life support system, an autonomous power supply, and 8 ready-to-launch SAMs. It can detect and process up to 48 targets, displaying information on the 10 most dangerous ones and engaging up to 4 air targets simultaneously. The ABM's equipment is protected against modern special interferences, and it can operate as part of a group under a single command post. The ABM weighs no more than 15 tons and can be installed on platforms using special, quick-release brackets. It is not connected to the platform by mechanical or hydraulic drives or energy systems and has its own gas turbine power source. The module is equipped with a modern navigation system that works with GPS and GLONASS systems, allowing for precise location determination. Recent developments have seen Russia equipping its Project 22,160 patrol ships with the Tor M2KM systems to strengthen their air defenses, particularly in response to the challenges posed by modern anti-ship missiles. The Russian Navy's decision to equip its ships with ground-based air defense systems like the Tor M2KM and Pantsir follows the realization that their existing ship air defense systems were not adequate against modern threats. The Tor Air Defense Missile System was created in late 1970s by the Moscow Electromechanical Research Institute, NEOMI. It was accepted into service in the spring of 1986. Tor has to engage in air and missile defense at the battalion level. It can defend important administrative, economic, and military facilities, as well as first echelons of ground formations against anti-radar and cruise missiles. The complex can control the airspace and automatically down all air targets unidentified by the friend or foe system. The complex is armed with vertically launched anti-aircraft guided missiles with a range of 12 kilometers and altitudes of up to 10 kilometers. The upgraded radar can detect stealth aircraft, jets, helicopters, cruise missiles, as well as precision munitions and air bombs. The weapon has been numerously upgraded in its lifetime. The most advanced option is Tor M2. It is serially supplied to the Defense Ministry. In 2019, it signed a contract worth 100 billion rubles for Tor M2 delivery up to 2027. Earlier, the seaborne Tor already exists. It is the short-range Kinzhal 3K95 complex. Warships with a displacement of over 800 tons have been armed with it since 1989. The Admiral Kuznetsov aircraft carrier, the Petr Veliki and the Admiral Nakhimov heavy nuclear cruisers of Project 1144, big anti-submarine ships of Project 1155 and frigates of Project 11540 are armed with it. Each revolving launcher carries 8 anti-aircraft guided missiles. The seaborne Tor M2 is likely to have the same characteristics as its latest ground option. The only problem is an additional illumination radar in the guidance system. However, Altair Enterprise in Moscow resolved the problem in 1990s. The Admiral Nakhimov begins trials in 2021 and is likely to become the first carrier of seaborne Tor M2. The revolving launchers are likely to be replaced by vertical ones. They will accelerate the reaction to target destruction, as they carry more guided anti-aircraft missiles, the Independent Military Review said.